Well, as we speak, my wife is at Taylor Swift in Vancouver. I wish her all the best. She sent me some video with the crowd, and I am glad I'm not at it. That's crazy. When I was a kid, I used to like concerts, but now I like house concerts. Anyways, here's what I got going on. Got the diesel heater going. It's pretty warm here. Like, it's not hot or anything. It's been running for about an hour. I went to Sportsman and got myself. I've already ate the schnitzel burger, but I got some poutine, and I am scrapping stuff that is just like all around in here because just wait for this, because everybody kept going on about the how I needed insulation. I guess the universe heard it, and there was a whole bunch of used 3-inch styrofoam. I don't know, it's pretty dark out here, but I think we should be able to see a bit. Anyways, I got 20 sheets. Actually, he threw in another one because a couple were broken, but I needed some broken stuff anyhow. But yeah, 20 4x8 sheets of 3-inch thick styrofoam. So that I need about 17 to insulate this thing. And I'm gonna start on the roof, but as you can see, I need to make some space to even get any in here. So for the roof, I'm just going to put straps across, and then I'm just gonna set, because so I need one more, and then I can get 2 more straps down there, and then I should be able to put the 4x8 sheets lengthwise this way. Oh wait, yeah, and then one at one end going the other way, because it's 20 feet, right? So I should be able to get 16 and then a 4 across one end. So anyways, that's my plan to start. That should help. And then I'm going to just start like one wall and then another. So I imagine I'm going to, I don't know, I should start this wall because it'll force me to get this stuff scrapped out. I meant to do it today, but I had to go and get that insulation, and it was a pretty hectic drive. It started to rain. The temperature was 0, and the road temperature was minus 5.5. So not a good time for rain. I was talking to Nice Junk, and I had to let him go. There was a vehicle in the ditch, and the police were there and that, and I was like, well, obviously I better get concentrating on driving. So sorry, buddy, that's why I never called you back too, because that's just, you know me. But anyways, so I am just going to be working in here because I've gotten a few inquiries about radios. I guess people want older radios. So tomorrow I'm going to set up a little testing station, and I'm going to see which radios work, if I can find out which mics work. I don't, there's nothing scientific. I just know that I have a working antenna and a working radio and working power. So I'm going to just plug they're all on 12 volt system, so I'm just going to plug in a cigarette lighter plug-in to the battery, keep the charger going on the battery, and that way I'll be able to tell, if the radio doesn't come on, I know the power works, then obviously the radio doesn't work, and then I'll just be able to sort them out that way. So I'm going to bring some masking tape and some markers, and I'll be writing on what works, what doesn't work, and yeah, I guess there's some people that maybe want to purchase some of these things once the postal strike's over. We'll see. Anyhow, that's that for there. Scrap it all, you'll be proud of me. Look at that. You know what was in that hole? That. I'm getting it all out. It actually looks like a pretty good chunk of brass in there. As soon as I saw that, I thought, well, I can't leave that. Scrap it all. Be very angry with me. So, out of that Honeywell. Oh, wait. This is a Honeywell True HEPA air cleaner, model 17,000. And it worked. And I was going to use it. Except for all that I could smell when I got it going was cigarette smoke. I figure that's why they got rid of it. But because that filter is actually pretty clean. I checked it all out and you can still see lots of light through it. So yeah, I'm guessing that the whole thing is just infected with the filthy cigarette smoke. But I'm pretty sure that's a copper motor. But I'm going to open this up and see. And then other than that, there's just this little circuit board thing with and a cord. And that chunk of brass that I lost. I was hitting it with the hammer. And this little piece of wire there. But yeah, I'll get this open and we will see. Well, this is really hard to tell. I'm pretty sure that's copper, but I only have fluorescent light to look by, and it makes it so shiny that it looks like aluminum. But it feels like copper. I don't know. I'll have to take it to the house, I guess. No, I scraped it along the wire with the knife. Went pretty deep, and it's copper. So that's pretty good. It's not a huge copper motor or anything, but at least it's copper. Well, there's the pretty garbage circuit board. That was the side I saw before, so I did have hope, but I have no hope now. And that looks like a little capacitor. But yeah, I got a little bit of insulated copper wire, crappy circuit board, copper motor, and a lot of plastic. It's like so much plastic. But what do you expect in this day and age? I did get lots of screws, so that's good. And I got a HEPA filter that smells like cigarette smoke, so that's good too, I guess. Anyways, that's one more thing cleared out of here. And it doesn't seem like it's going to make that much difference. Except for it's going to let me clean this makeshift bench off of here. And that will give me room to start moving stuff in. Question before I go. That is metal mesh, I believe. Let me see here. Oh. I guess it's aluminum or stainless. Is that, would that just go in shred, or is that just too little amount of metal? This is a plastic mesh on this side. This just looks like all paper. So, maybe I'll pull it out of there. I have no idea why I would bother, but I'll pull it out and see what it is anyhow. That's definitely aluminum. And really not that hard to get out, so I am going to get it out of there. I just want to say, though, like, HEPA filter paper is super soft. I would wear a shirt made out of that. If anybody is looking for something to get me for Christmas. I assume it's paper. It's just, like, very, very soft. Maybe it's the cigarette smoke that makes it so soft. I don't know. If that's the case, then I'm gonna start smoking again. Okay, after spending altogether too much time getting 0.119 pounds of aluminum. Wait, let me get the units. 1.9 ounces. 54 grams. So that took me, I shouldn't say too much time, but that took me probably 10 minutes because I had to pick like all of these little rubber bits that I have thrown like all around here. There's little bits of these rubber, and I had to pick them all out of there. But you know, you don't want to be sending in dirty aluminum if you've got this much of it, because that will get downgraded from, you know, like 50 cents a pound to like 38 cents a pound. And that's pretty drastic. Okay, heater is on its cool down. My makeshift bench is in the air. Actually, I might try burning this stuff just because it's pretty bulky, but I just want to see if, like, it's just so, like, soft and beautiful. And I just want to see if it is good burning. It might be like a really nice tinder. But, oh, better not forget the last of my poutine. All right, I'm going to shut this show down. Here's my, my breaker panel. Night-night.